Hey everybody, how you doing out there? It is Mr. Bookman and I will be reading This Joy by Shelley Johannes. Please enjoy. And I want to welcome a brand new subscriber here to my channel. Welcome aboard. Feel free to check out my other book readings here I got on this channel. And please share out my channel as well. But again, welcome aboard. This joy. My arms aren't big enough. To hold the whole world. With all its green and all its blue. But when I feel this happening, it's all I want to do. When I feel this happening, it's all I want to do. My tippy toes aren't tall enough. Touch the treetop. Or reach the clouds. My legs aren't long enough to cover all the ground. My feet can't feel every grain of sand or wade into every inch of wild. I don't have enough fingers to count all the people. But I wish we could share a billion smiles. My voice isn't loud enough to express this joy. Even with a microphone or a megaphone and my friends on backup xylophone. The alphabet doesn't have enough letters. Letters don't have enough sounds. Even when I try and try and try. Why isn't there a word for feeling this alive? Maybe it's an examination mark. Maybe it's a song. A quiet one. A noisy one. Or maybe it's an exclamation mark. Or the kind where everyone sings along. Is it birds in flight? Squirrels at play? The squint of my eyes in the symphony of light? Maybe it's a Paruti. Or a hill where I can climb. I wish I could catch. I wish I can't catch. Laughter I can't control. Today is a gift. My arms can't hold. Enough, I'm small. My heart is tall. And my arms aren't exactly the right size. Or my arms are exactly the right size. For holding you. Well, it doesn't matter what size your hands are, you can always hold that special person, and give them a hug. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel, or hit that subscribe button. I don't know what color it is, but hit it anyways. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading is over. Have a good one. Take care. And happy Thanksgiving.